Hey there and welcome to Scandal Steep. Recent developments in the legal battles surrounding music mogul Sean Diddy Combs have taken an unexpected turn, as courtroom proceedings continue to reveal new allegations and raise the stakes in what has already become a highly publicized case. Central to these proceedings is the contentious issue of Diddy's access to a computer while being held at the Metropolitan Detention Center, MDC, in Brooklyn. The question now remains, will his legal team manage to secure a much-needed advantage, or will they face yet another significant setback? The most recent updates in Diddy's legal troubles have unleashed a whirlwind of revelations and dramatic courtroom exchanges. A newly released courtroom video provided a deeper look into the challenges faced by the music entrepreneur, who is contending with a slew of federal charges, including racketeering, sex trafficking, and conspiracy. The trial has become a battleground, with prosecutors and defense attorneys clashing over evidence, bail requests, and an array of new claims. The stakes for Diddy continue to climb as both sides prepare for what promises to be an intense legal showdown. Observers and legal analysts have expressed skepticism about his chances of overcoming the case, citing the sheer number of witnesses and the volume of evidence collected by federal authorities. One commenter pointed out that the evidence amassed against Diddy is overwhelming, including statements from over 50 witnesses, terabytes of digital data, and forensic evidence tying him to alleged criminal activities. During the trial, Diddy's defense team raised concerns over limited access to crucial materials needed to prepare for the trial. They argued that the restrictions on his use of a computer severely hinder his ability to review evidence and communicate effectively with his legal team. However, federal prosecutors countered these claims, asserting that the restrictions were necessary due to the sensitive nature of the evidence, which includes sealed documents and information regarding victims and witnesses. Adding to the drama, prosecutors alleged that even while in custody, Diddy attempted to tamper with witnesses and influence public opinion. They pointed to recorded phone calls from prison, during which Diddy purportedly instructed family members to reach out to potential witnesses, encouraging them to alter their accounts or create narratives favorable to his defense. These allegations, outlined in a motion to deny bail, paint a troubling picture of Diddy's conduct behind bars and will likely weigh heavily in the court's decision-making process. The issue of bail has become a focal point in the proceedings, with Diddy's legal team pushing for his release under strict monitoring conditions. Defense attorneys argued that the prosecution's claims of witness tampering are speculative and unsupported by concrete evidence. They emphasized that Diddy's ongoing incarceration under restrictive conditions at the Metropolitan Detention Center is unjust and undermines his right to prepare a robust defense. Prosecutors, however, vehemently opposed bail, presenting what they described as a pattern of intimidation tactics. They cited messages allegedly sent by Diddy's associates to key witnesses, which included veiled threats and attempts to discredit their testimonies publicly. Prosecutors further alleged that Diddy's substantial financial resources and influence in the entertainment industry make him a flight risk and a potential danger to witnesses. A heated courtroom exchange unfolded as the defense accused the prosecution of exaggerating the risk Diddy poses to the trial's integrity. Diddy's lead attorney, known for representing high-profile clients, argued that the government's reliance on circumstantial evidence and unverified claims paints an unfair and misleading picture of his client's actions. This case is being tried in the court of public opinion, the attorney said, and the government is capitalizing on salacious allegations rather than focusing on facts. The presiding judge acknowledged the gravity of the allegations but emphasized the need to balance the rights of the accused with the safety of witnesses. After hearing arguments from both sides, the court deferred its decision on bail, leaving Diddy's legal team scrambling to strengthen their case. Meanwhile, the case has ignited a media frenzy, with countless outlets dissecting every development and pundits debating the implications for Diddy's career and legacy. Some industry insiders have voiced their support for the embattled mogul, highlighting his philanthropic efforts and cultural contributions. Others, however, have distanced themselves, citing the severity of the allegations and the potential damage to their own reputations. Social media platforms have also become battlegrounds for public opinion, with hashtags related to the case trending daily. Supporters of Diddy have rallied behind the slogan "innocent until proven guilty," while critics argue that the weight of the evidence should not be ignored. The polarized reactions reflect a broader societal debate on issues of accountability, power dynamics, and the intersection of celebrity and justice. As the trial progresses, legal experts predict that the case will hinge on the credibility of the witnesses and the admissibility of the evidence presented. The defense faces the daunting task of dismantling a mountain of allegations, while the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Diddy orchestrated the criminal activities he stands accused of. For Diddy, the stakes could not be higher. Beyond the potential legal consequences, his reputation and legacy hang in the balance. Regardless of the trial's outcome, it is clear that this case will leave a lasting impact on the entertainment industry and serve as a cautionary tale about the complexities of power, privilege, and accountability.